my name is Angus Willows, and I want to tell you a little bit about my experience with Amazon FBA and give you a few golden nuggets of information that I've learned along the way. In college, I invented the Kangaroo hanger, which is essentially a big paper clip that clips in all of your clothes. The Kangaroo hanger was first produced in Asia, and I started out selling it on Amazon about 2 years ago using Amazon FBA. Then about a year and a half ago, we transitioned to US manufacturing, and we're still using FBA because it just makes the most sense financially for the business. One of the main benefits of Amazon FBA, which I'm sure you've heard of before, is the Prime badge. When I'm shopping online and there's something that I need urgently and it says it's going to be delivered in a week or 2 weeks, I usually just skip over that and move on to something else. And so that's why it's so critical to have the Prime badge on Amazon. And one of the best ways to get that is through FBA. The Kangaroo hanger is made and shipped from Wisconsin. And so the benefit of that is we can fulfill individual customer orders from our Wisconsin facility. But we've actually found that using Amazon FBA is cheaper. So shipping the product to Amazon and then having them fulfill it to the end customer is actually cheaper for us than shipping it directly to the end customer from our facility in Wisconsin. And one of the main reasons for that is because Amazon gets significant discounts on their shipping. So the cost of shipping on Amazon is significantly lower than even wholesale rates from carriers like UPS. Here's my main tip when starting out with FBA. You don't necessarily need to go all in. What we did with Kangaroo hanger was we started out by shipping only our top selling SKUs to Amazon FBA and having them fulfilled through Amazon. And we kept our slower selling SKUs as in-house Amazon fulfilled by merchant. Thanks for watching, and if you ever need hangers, keep an eye out for the Kangaroo hanger.